My name is Ventress Jackson II. And Gary, Indiana is where it all started. A born artist. Some will consider my city the hardest. One that is often heartless. So I will share mine from time to time. Put it on the line. Some things just can't be traced. See, it was this place where I discovered my passions. Would you believe me if I told you this was the home of Michael Jackson? Maybe it's something in the water. High school, potential was off the charts. My teachers gave me the push I needed. I was introduced to spoken word. It was like it was meant to be. Little after that, I joined the Theater Guild. Rest was history. Kept me out of trouble. I fell in love with it all. Stage and film production, movie scripts, learning camera functions. See, this was all just the foundation. The foundation to a dream that I could change the nation. Reinforce positive images of boys that look like myself. Friends doing big favors. And I believe that college can help. Computer informatics degree. Music is my focus. Telecommunications minor. At times I do get nervous. 2 jobs that reflect my passions. Audio engineer and a videographer. I'm down to no more scholarships. Few more semesters. Do I start to quit? I would say no. See things to fruition. Create is what I do. And I'll dream until collision.